Definitely a fabrication company, field and shop fabrication. So we do a lot of work outside the business and chemical plants, steel mills. We do daily maintenance for industry. Well, Dad started the company in 1972. Industries have really elevated the work. We currently have a good relationship with East Mississippi Community College, and we're trying to grow that relationship with Itawamba Community College as well. Ingalls Shipyard, they've been involved for years with four-year institutions and community college, and getting them to actually implement their naval welding curriculum, that when a student graduates from that curriculum, they're guaranteed a job. I think it's got to be just about as easy as here as you can get, because small town mentality, everybody knows everybody, or they think they know everybody. Loving community, very Christian-based community, and I think the whole county is that way. Values are still important. So for raising a family, that's what you look for, that's what we look for.